Hello friends, I am back with a new topic, that is what comes after. For that we need to understand what is after number. After number means the numbers next number. Now look at here. Series from 0 to 100 are already given. We have to find out these numbers after numbers. What is this? 0. Where is 0? Here is. We have to go zeros next number. That is 1. So we will write here number 1. Okay. What is this? Number 18. 18 is years. 18's next number is 19. So we will write here number 19. Which number is this? 25. 25 is here. 25's next number is 26. So we will write here number 26. What is this? 36. Where is that 36? Here is. 36 next number is 37. So we will write here 37. Which number is this? 47. 47's next number is 48. So we will write here 48. What is this? 54. 54 is here. 54's next number is 55. So we will write here 55. Which number is this? 73. 73's next number is 74. So we will write here 74. Now 82. 82's next number is 83. So we will write here 83. Then last one is 99. 99's next number is 100. So we will write here number 100. This video will help you to find out after numbers. Thank you.